Hi friends, considering the public awareness, stringent government regulations following serious accidents of gas or poisonous solvents leakage and fire, pollution of agricultural lands, there is a need for assessing chemical industries' corrosion problems and giving consultancy and adequate training. There are significant impacts of long time shutdowns on corrosion issues of plants and installations due to various reasons, including one due to situations of pandemic, the one currently being experienced due to COVID-19. We should critically analyze the possible corrosion mechanisms expected due to shutdown of operations before we resume normal plant operations. The corrosion audit of the chemical industries and oil or gas, upstream and downstream, and petrochemical and fertilizers. It involves identification of effects of environment and process conditions, corrosion damage mechanisms, determination of material compatibility with environment and design issues, suitable painting and its maintenance plans, and during storage, equipment protection recommendations, during long term shutdown periods, corrosion damage mechanisms and their mitigation, to verify corrosion monitor practice whether it is maintained or not, and implementation of the suitable recommendations. Knowledge building of the team through proper training, and there is a need for corrosion awareness for plant employees and operators. An inspection technician and a maintenance operator or process chemist who has a better understanding of the corrosion and material degradation, including how it manifests itself, what causes it, and the different options for control, ensures that the signs of corrosion and damage are recognized at an early stage, which allows remedial measures to be put in place before the actual damage happens, and which requires major work and cost. The reasons for the detailed requirements for inspection and monitoring are better understood by improving, and hence improves the efficiency and cooperation among employees. The effect of corrosion control measures are better understood by improving the efficiency and understanding of the likely corrosion mechanisms during the shutdown, and there are requirements of techniques to prevent such problems and a process of any rectification before resuming the plant operations. The installations and plants, they experience the atmospheric corrosion, and which is mainly electrochemical rather than a direct chemical attack by the elements, and are controlled by the factors like formation of insoluble films, deposits from the atmosphere, presence of moisture, presence of contaminants such as sulfur compounds and salt particles, and also other solids which affects the corrosion rate and its mechanisms. The anodic and cathodic areas are usually quite small and close together, so that corrosion is apparently uniform rather than in the form of severe pitting, as in the case of soil or in water media. Understanding the process of chemistry of each and every plant and installation for the assessment of the internal corrosion due to acid environment, erosional corrosion due to the slurry flow, under deposit or crevice corrosion, high temperature oxidation processes. We can, to achieve our goal, we can have some introductory training program depending on the industry, and also we can have long term training program of 2 to 3 days, and in addition to that we can have a participative consultancy for various studies to achieve the required goal. Friends, you can contact me at my email yesbut56@outlook.com, or my mobile number is 9482648290. Thank you, friends.